Become an extrovert. Tips for introverts. It is commonly believed that extroverts are more successful, more popular, and more confident than introverts. However, this is not necessarily true. There are many successful introverts who have achieved great things by embracing their introverted nature. That being said, it can be helpful to learn how to tap into our extroverted side when needed. In today's video, we will explore some strategies for introverts who want to learn how to be more extroverted. 1. Set small goals. Start by setting small goals that push you out of your comfort zone. For example, strike up a conversation with a stranger at a coffee shop or attend a social event where you don't know anyone. These small victories will build your confidence and make it easier to take bigger risks. 2. Practice active listening. Being an extrovert means being able to engage with others in a meaningful way. One way to do this is by practicing active listening. This means paying attention to what the other person is saying and responding in a way that shows you are truly interested in what they have to say. 3. Embrace vulnerability. One of the keys to being an extrovert is being willing to be vulnerable. This means putting yourself out there and risking rejection or failure. It can be scary, but it's also necessary if you want to connect with others on a deeper level. 4. Be curious. Extroverts are naturally curious about the world around them. They ask questions, seek out new experiences, and are always learning. You can cultivate this same sense of curiosity by seeking out new hobbies, exploring new places, and meeting new people. 5. Find your passion. Extroverts are often passionate about something, whether it's a hobby, a cause, or a career. When you find something you're passionate about, it can give you the motivation and energy you need to be more outgoing and engage with others. 6. Practice positive self-talk. Introverts often struggle with negative self-talk, which can hold them back from being more extroverted. Practice positive affirmations and remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. This will help you build confidence and feel more comfortable in social situations. 7. Take care of yourself. Being an extrovert can be exhausting, so it's important to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, exercise, and healthy food. Also, take time to recharge by spending time alone and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Being an extrovert or introvert is not inherently good or bad. It's just a part of who you are. However, it can be helpful to learn how to tap into your extroverted side when needed by setting small goals, practicing active listening, embracing vulnerability, being curious, finding your passion, practicing positive self-talk, and taking care of yourself. You can learn how to be more extroverted without compromising your introverted nature.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more from Psychology Bits.